What is up, you guys? So like I promised you guys in the last vlog, I'm coming here to Target with a $100 bill and seeing exactly how much we can buy and if you can afford style. The whole idea of it is to show you that even on a budget and on, stores that you can find all across America, you can find good items that look good at a very good price, especially if you're on that college budget. We're gonna head into Target and we're gonna see what we find. Okay, so I was able to narrow everything down to this. It's about 6 clothing items, and I wanted to be able to buy shoes, but it looks like I hit my $100 mark. But Target does have pretty decent shoes. I wouldn't say it's their strong point, but I'm really excited about the clothes because the clothes actually fits really well. I just came from the fitting room and everything fits awesome. So I can't wait to get to the studio, show you some of the looks, and see exactly how many outfits I can compose with $100 at Target. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Ruined it.
Do you have the Target Red Card with us?
No.
Would you like to apply? Save 5%?
No, thank you.
Phone with the alcohol. Huh? You tired? 182.67 is your total.
Unless you take everything out and make it seem like below 100.
No, that'd be cheating. Oh, sorry? Yeah, for here. Can I get a bowl?
Okay.
For here.
Yeah.
Brown rice. Let's try something different. Brown beans. Yes.
I'll have this one. I never know. Mild.
Yeah, can I get chicken?
A little bit of hot.
The green sauce, the mild one, right? Oh no, the green one then. Whatever that is.
Cheese.
Yeah, can I get corn?
Sour cream. A little bit.
Cheese, sour cream, and lettuce.
Yeah, a little bit of sour cream.
Yes. Thank you.
You guys want guac or salsa on the side?
I'm good.
Hey, that's so cool. Do you do like a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah, I vlog.
Oh, that's cool. I've been wanting to vlog. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's-
Wait. You're videotaping that?
Well, I was just videotaping the food.
You guys want chips or drink?
Do you have? So after shopping all day, we're gonna stop by Chipotle and just fuel up. Then we're gonna go to the studio, check out everything I bought, and see if it looks good. So we are actually back from Target, and this is what we got. Now, like I said, I went a little bit over my budget, and I spent $118. But as a price breakdown, that was $20. This was $6. My chinos were the most expensive. This was $32. This was $17. This was $17, and that was $20. So if I really wanted to stay within budget, I would have to take one of these out. But I mean, that's still pretty good considering 5 items for $100, averaging around 25 items each. And the way I see this is I basically got 4 tops and 2 bottoms. So if you do the math, that's about 10 combinations. And that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put every single combination and show you just how much $100 can be stretched. But what I really was surprised is with Target. I mean, I've never actually shopped for clothes from Target. I've been there, I've seen their menswear area, and I've never thought about stopping by until I had this idea of shopping on a budget. So I'm gonna show you how the clothes actually fits and the styling of the clothes, and it's actually very good, and I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. So for $100, 10 looks, let's see what we get. Also, one quick thing. For all the looks, all the 8 looks I'm about to compose with this clothing, I'm gonna be using these simple white leather Converse sneakers. I figure I would pick out one shoe that is also under that same theme of cheap and versatile. So as you can see, sneakers you can get them for like $50 and they're pretty nice. So that's what we're gonna be doing. By the way, these chinos aren't tailored, straight off the rack. Not bad, guys. Pretty simple and laid back look. Let's dress it up a bit. Look number dos, a little bit more smart casual. Put on this fitted dress shirt. I mean, check this shirt out, guys. Not tailored. I mean, you can even still see the wrinkles on it because I just took it out of the bag. Look how well this clothing fits. I mean, the shirt was $20. $20 dress shirt, and you can look this sharp. Now let's go for a little bit more of a summer vibe. So here goes look number 3. And this is more of a summer laid back, almost park. You know, you're going out to the park type of thing. I would say that out of the 3 shirts that I just tried on, this is probably the one that's a little bit more loose on the loose end. But still, I mean, I think this one was the $17 one. Not bad, and it's really fresh and cool. So it feels like a seersucker, but it's not a seersucker, but it's very breathable. So pretty good pickup for $17. I think the question now is, how long is this clothing going to last once you start washing it and using it? So that'll be interesting to see, but so far I'm very happy. And now for the last look with the chinos, we're going to be going with this really nice washed, it's like this wash type of polo shirt, very soft, very breathable. Also, fit is on point, gentlemen. Okay, so that was the first 4 looks. Let me switch out to the shorts and show you the next 4 looks with the shorts. Here goes look number 6. This is the same t-shirt I wear with the chinos, just that I swatched out the bottoms. Again, this t-shirt fits very well. My curiosity now is, how is this clothing going to fit after the first, second, or third watch? Which I don't know yet, but to this point, I'm very happy with Target. Here goes look number 7. Pretty nice, huh? So now let's finish it off with the final look, and that's with the dress shirt. And here's the final and 8th look. Oh, and before anybody says anything, you should wear a belt with this. I don't have a belt that matches this, so I didn't wear one, but you should wear a belt. And here's the final look. So the idea here is to show you guys that, I mean, those people that whine, oh, I can't dress well because I don't have money, you know, showed you that with basically just $100, you can compile 8, well, technically, let's say if you really wanted to keep it 100, I spent 118, so you could compile 6 to 7 outfits with $100 from Target. So that was actually pretty fun. I was really amazed with Target. I also want to give a quick thank you to Target for sponsoring this video. It was, you know, such a great, just kidding guys, they didn't sponsor. But, you know, if Target, you're watching this, sponsor your boy because I love your clothing. Really awesome clothing. No, Target did not sponsor this video. I wish they had. Like I said, the clothing is really awesome and I'm very impressed. That's how this whole idea of dress challenge sparked. Like, could you dress well from your average store? Say you don't have access to a good mall, or, you know, the stores around you suck and all you have is like a Target or a Walmart, which I'm thinking I'll probably do Walmart next, or any other ideas you have. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do Gap. Gap's a popular one. And just basically the idea is to see how much $100 can get you. You know, probably in Gap, you'd be lucky if you can walk out with 2 items with $100, whereas you saw from Target, I walked out with, was it 5 or 6 items? So that's the whole idea. See how far $100 can get you, how many outfits can you compile, and does it actually look good? Because if you can compile 10 outfits but they all suck, there's really no point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. If you did, you know, hit the like button below. That lets me know. Also comment down below what other stores you want to see me try out like that, you know, with basically cap at $100, trying to shop smart and see if we can get any good stylish outfits out of that. So thank you guys for tuning in this week. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.